Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to check the health status of your hard disk, your hard drive, your flash disk or your memory card. We'll be doing this in 3 simple steps. Let's get started. In this step 1, we have to use our command prompt to check the health status of our hard disk or flash drive. So all we have to do is head over to the search bar in your taskbar, then type cmd. You'll see the command prompt there. You click on the command prompt to open. When the command prompt open, you head over here and type this string I'm going to display here. You type wmic, you give space, disk drive, you give space, get, you give space, status, comma, you give space, then model, then you click enter. Once you do this, it will show you the health status of your hard disk. You see I have two hard disk here. You see they are okay, and if they are not okay, it will still signify, to still show you that okay, this hard disk have issues. And if any of your hard disk shows pred fail under the status, it shows pred fail, it means that your hard disk is unhealthy. So all you have to do is to back up your files in that particular hard disk as soon as possible before it gets bad. So that's it for the first step. And here is the second step on how to check the health status of your hard disk or your flash or your memory card. Then all you have to do, head over to your file explorer here. Then you go to this PC, and as you can see, I have 3 hard disks in my computer. Though this is an external hard disk that was attached through a USB cable. So in order to do this, all you have to do is right click on any of the disks you want to check the health status of. Let's say my local disk C. You right click, then you head over to properties, then you go to the tools tab, then under this error checking, you see this option will check the drive for file or system errors. This is where you check the health status of your hard disk. So all you have to do is click on check, and to you don't need to scan this drive. If you haven't found any errors on this drive, you can still scan the drive for errors if you want. So for this video, we'll be scanning this drive, and you click on scan drive. Then when you click on it, it will take some minutes. It's not as fast as the command prompt option. This will take some minutes to scan the drive, and if there's no error or there's no issue, it will still show us. So let's just give it some time. So as you can see, it says your drive was successfully scanned. Windows successfully scanned the drive, no errors were found. So this is the second step on how to check the health status of your hard disk, hard drive, your flash, or anything. So head over to the third step. The next and third method here is the crystal disk method. So to go about this, all you have to do is to open your browser, go to your search bar and type crystalmac.info. I'll put this link in the description. So when the site is open, you head over to this download tab over here and click on download. Sometimes you see a pop-up ad or any ad, you see an ad will come up most of the time. All you have to do is cancel the ad or clear it. There's so much ad on the site because that's how they fund the site. Because the tool here is a free tool. So you have to scroll down to this standard edition. You make sure the interface is like this because they have different editions. There's the one of this kind and this kind. So I want to use this one because it's easier to understand. Then you have to come over here and click installer. Please wait before downloading. After a few 2 to 3 seconds, it will open and you see your download will start shortly over here. Then after that, the file is already downloading, which is indicating here. So over here, you can see that the crystal disk info have already been downloaded. So you just have to open it, then follow the prompt to install the software. I have to go over to accept the agreement, then click next. Create a desktop shortcut, you leave it checked, then wait for it to install. Then after that, you click. This is the crystal disk info software, and in order to check the health status of your hard disk, you just have to come over here. You see the health status, mine is good. You can see the temperature. Then over here you see power on hours, meaning how many hours this particular hard disk have been used, have been kept on. And you can see 324 days 11 hours, which is over 7,000 hours. And then power on count is how many times it have been powered. Is how many times it have been powered. Then this table here shows the status of the hard disk. If it shows a blue line here, it means that your hard disk is good, is in a good state or good condition. Then if it shows yellow, it means that your hard disk, you should be cautious. There's an issue and it's getting bad. So the thing I would advise you to do if it shows yellow is to look for a way to back up your files in the hard disk from the one your files in the hard disk. Yeah. Then if it shows red, it means that your hard disk is bad. You will need to change it. So if you have multiple hard disk in your computer, or multiple hard disks is connected to your computer and you want to check them one after the other, you can also click here. As you can see, I have two good hard disks. This is the one we just uh, checked. So when I click there, the next other one will show, and as you can see, the health status of this other one is 99% good. The temperature is quite high, 54 degrees Celsius, not bad actually. And you can see the power on hours, the power on counts, and can still see the status, how good it is. It's showing blue, not yellow, nor red. So that's it with the crystal disk info to check the health status of your hard disk. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Very important. Subscribe so you can see more of our videos on how to solve more tech problems. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.